It's a wonderful place to work. So it was great working with Ali. I think he's adapted it. There's a more subtle side to his storytelling that's come out in this format. There's many things and many worlds that are interwoven in Tandav. Like I said, from student politics to Lachan's Delhi to the hinterland. There's Adi Purush, there's Vikram Vedha. So I'm very excited about where I am. Ali is the real Nawab in Tandav, not me. I'm just an underpaid actor. He's very funny because he lets you be as an actor, and then after a while he tells you what to do on the mic, like, look left, look right. Okay.
Now, Ali Abbas Zafar, he's an educated guy. It's the sort of background that he's having. He's made some big blockbusters, but always, I think, in all his films, there is an element of subtext. He's, apart from being populist, he's also saying certain things which have a certain meaning to it and certain purpose behind that. How's the experience of working with a writer-director like that?
But any piece of work, if you're bringing your best game, it's interesting. I mean, you talk about the long form. I like calling it the long form storytelling format. It's nice that Ali was interested in doing something like this. It shows off your skill as a storyteller. There's no differentiation between my head, between films and the longer form in terms of quality, provided, it's being directed really well and there's good production design and people are spending money, etc., etc. It's a wonderful place to work. So it was great working with Ali. I think he's adapted it. There's a more subtle side to his storytelling that's come out in this format. I think he knows that populist films need a slightly different weight of hand in the way the story is told, and this needs a lighter touch in places and a slightly different touch, which I'm really happy he has delivered. And there's many things and many worlds that are interwoven in Tandav. Like I said, from student politics to Lachan's Delhi to the hinterland, all the elements that really comprise our great nation, all the elements that go into it are kind of touched upon on the show. So it's cinematic as well. And you better be cinematic when you shoot the web. I don't like it when people think, it's something different and have this hangover that, films is somehow more important. In my experiences on the web, whether it's the last thing I did or whether it's this, they've both been the best directors in the production house, and they presented it like that. So anyway, sticking to Tandav, it was great. Ali, he knows what, he's a proper director. He knows how, and he's fast and he's very comfortable. And we did things that, some things have never been done on screen before. Some dramatic situations have never been done. So that was the fun of doing it. And also he's very funny because he lets you be as an actor. And then after a while, he tells you what to do on the mic, like, look left, look right. Okay. So some people, like, first time he did that, I thought, wait, I'm an artist. But then I started loving it. and I think as long as he stops eating while he's doing it, because the last time he did it, he was eating a sandwich. He's going to kill me. But basically, we had too much fun. And I love Ali. I've known him since Tashan. And we played cricket together in Patodi. And, when a unit plays cricket together, you don't see each other as just the hierarchy of a film set, The gaffer and the light man and all, you see them as a good left-handed opening batsman or a good leg spinner. And it changes your vibe. And it's a wonderful thing to do. So Ali likes us all to play sport together. Then we had lovely dinners where some artists in the show have great singing voices and they would sing ghazals and stuff like this. So I think Ali is the real Nawab in Tandav, not me. I'm just an underpaid actor.
But are you really an underpaid actor after the sort of success that you have seen, especially this year?
Well, it depends how much money you want to get paid. Honestly, I feel I've worked very hard. I was in a bit of a ditch, I think, mentally, professionally. And I managed to get out of that. And it's like climbing a mountain, I feel I'm on base camp 1 and we made progress, but there's a long way to go. But the ropes are set, the boots are tied, and we've got our sights on the hill and we're climbing, but there's a really nice lineup. I'm super excited about Bhoot Police, which is finally 80% complete. And it's a dream role for me. And we've really had a good time doing that. So there's that, there's Adi Purush, there's Vikram Vedha. So I'm very excited about where I am, but it'd be nice to take a break. This is the 30th of December. tomorrow is New Year's Eve. I think we'll have a nice dinner and just take a pause for a few days. But it's a good place to be, Faridun. You know, it's not been whatever. It's a nice place to be. It's not been particularly easy, but the work has been fab. A lot of people have been super supportive, and it's nice because the only thing that's gotten me out of that feeling is just by working hard and choosing the right scripts. But also, people have supported me by offering me those parts.